It was a great fair for us. We had more than 100 leads that we took, and 100 leads are not just 100 new members. It's really 100 discussions with people who share our interests, who share our values, and who would like to become members of our community to actually contribute to us. We had new concepts here on the fair. We have a new booth, which gave us room to have all these insightful conversations with a lot of members. We had a lot of contributors from our members, people who would really share their entire time here at the fair just to speak to new members, to make all those contacts. We tried out new concepts, so like our members meeting that we were broadcasting live here from the show. We had the Follow the Twin challenge, which was actually quite successful. So we brought together a lot of members now with our new concept of the lounge. So it was a lot of interest that we draw with this. We also had some great achievements here. I mean, we were talking to a lot of organizations that we've been talking to for a couple of years, and we really inched closer together. And this is really bringing us forth, because it's not about differentiating ourselves from others. No, we need a joint approach. We need to work closer together with them. Well, talking about all those great achievements, it's the end of the SPS 2023, and we're going to meet again on the Hannover Fair in 2024. See you there.